3, 2, 1.
Chase. It's not funny. It's not funny. Chase busy funny. Salmon arm.
Salmon, baby. Next one.
Let's go get some salmon.
Yeah, I agree. They're really good out here.
And a
Right
salmon
from
arm.
the ocean. Tell you, it's the best place to go to. For a
Really?
picnic.
What's that bridge?
What did I just tell?
What's
told you
this
yesterday,
red?
Cameras?
I wonder what's this red bridge?
Red Bridge.
What's the name? It's not the
Red Roof.
Red roof. Red bridge.
It's a nice hotel, is what it is.
Yeah.
Right here it tells you Three Valley Grip, Three Valley Gap, Three Valley Lake Chateau.
Chateau. It's just like the Banff.
Yeah, no, they're trying to do like Sun Peaks, but it's not even close.
Junior, don't do that, please. That's nice. Bridge. We always pass this bridge. This bridge is very scary during winter time. But right now it's summer, so it's
Truck.
beautiful.
That's full of somebody's house.
Huh?
That's full of somebody's house. All their content, everything that's.
Enchanted Forest is very busy.
Yeah. Come on, vehicle, it's turning left, so it's going to be a while. We're going the other way.
There's lots of people, very busy. So we just gotta take a video of the Enchanted Forest.
Yeah, it's crazy how close he is. See that guy? He's like, oh, you guys are just living in that campground down the street. No, coming up. Last no, coming up.
No. Where's your blister? Blister? Don't. It's gonna hurt more if you take it off. Take the skin off. Do we need to go to the hospital? We have a blister, Daddy. We have to go to the hospital. Call 911. Where?
Last no, coming up. No.
He's showing me his blister. Ouch.
Here comes another no.
Other one tunnel.
No.
Other tunnel.
No.
Let's see the tunnel.
No.
Tunnel!
Tunnel.
Whoa.
No. Look how dark it is in this no.
It's not really dark. It has these ones.
No.
It's blurry. Blurry in the tunnel.
Right. Tunnel.
Yeah. No more tunnel? No more tunnel.
$15.70.
Tunnel! Woohoo!
The tunnel.
Tunnel! We're in a tunnel. Make a wish. I wish.
Tunnel.
Ew! Don't put that in your mouth. There's another tunnel.
Tunnel.
Whoa! We're in a tunnel. No, so we can see it. Hi everyone! Please don't forget to subscribe. All night vlogs. We didn't get to go to the mountain pipe, and we didn't get to go to the anywhere. We didn't get to go to that forest, Enchanted Forest. Boohoo! Right, Jer? Is it boohoo? Boohoo!
Same thing happened in Jasper.
It's very busy. They said we have to wait for until 7 o'clock. Don't forget to subscribe to All Night Vlogs.
Look at this bridge here. Tourist attraction. Revelstoke Railway Museum. Okanagan College. Columbia River. Revelstoke Bridge. That's the bridge, baby. Main attraction right here. Look at the people down there in the water.
Road west is on the right, and then the indicated exit of the traffic circle.
Yeah, this is the main attraction. Right off the main drag. Railway Museum. There's a dam here. We could be eating at the dam.
Many hours later.
Catch some bird. Whoa. Be careful, Junior. Don't fall, okay? They're looking for food. Oh, here it comes. They're gone. Oh, Junior, the train, the train. Yeah. Did you see that? Huh. What did you see? The train? City train, eh?
No more train.
No more train.
No. Oh, some blood. Some more blood.
Say thank you. You gotta say thank you. Go get it. Oh, get some more.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh, that's enough. Oh, feed the bird. Come on. Oh, no. You have to throw it like that. Throw it. Throw it. Here, Junior. You don't have to chase it. You just have to put it in front. Hey, Junior, come here. You have to throw it. Throw it, Junior. Two. He's 2-year-old. Junior, thank you. Just put it in front of you. Just put it in the ground. Put it in the ground and they'll eat it. You don't chase them. Oh my goodness. They'll run away. They'll fly away if you chase them. You don't. Come here. Come here. See? They're coming to eat. He ate it. Don't go. Oh my God. He will come. He's scared, Junior. He will come and eat it. You don't have to chase. What are you doing? This way, you can see it better this way. Can you see it inside? They keep him. See? They keep it. They keep it inside.
This way.
Can you see it there too?
Mommy.
Whoa!
Wow. Let's see.
Let's
Soccer now.
Soccer, now let's kick the basketball.
I see you. I twist for the
Are
mess.
you gonna soccer the basketball?
I don't do it.
No.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, All Night Vlogs, and also click the like button and the notification bell for you guys will get updated to our new videos. Much love, everyone. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.